Gentlemen, when people think of Vietnam, they often imagine endless rice fields, pristine beaches, and the warm smiles of a hospitable people. But few know that behind this beauty lies a country that endured decades of devastating war, with millions of lives lost in the fight for freedom and peace. We had to start from scratch: poverty, destruction, and a shattered health infrastructure. Back then, Vietnam's healthcare system suffered immensely lack of medicines, a shortage of doctors, makeshift hospitals, and a heavy reliance on traditional remedies. From traditional remedies to high technology. But through hardship came determination. With a culture that values education and perseverance, Vietnamese medicine began to rise. By blending centuries-old Eastern medical traditions with modern Western science, Vietnam built a unique and effective healthcare system. Today, Vietnam proudly houses a growing network of top-tier hospitals and medical research centers, including Cho Ray Hospital, Bach Mai Hospital, Viet Duc University Hospital, K National Cancer Hospital, and many more regional and provincial medical facilities. Impressive medical advancements. Vietnam has made remarkable progress in high-level medical procedures. Organ transplants, kidney, liver, heart, performed with high survival rates. Cancer treatment, combining surgery, chemotherapy, radiation, and immunotherapy. IVF and infertility treatment, with success rates comparable to developed countries. Cardiology and interventional radiology, using the latest technology in stents, EP mapping, minimally invasive surgeries, from brain, spine, and joints to endocrine and urology. Vietnam, a rising medical tourism hub. In the past, Vietnamese patients often sought treatment abroad in Singapore, Thailand, or Japan. But now, that trend is reversing. Patients from Singapore, Laos, Cambodia, Myanmar, and even Europe and the US are coming to Vietnam for medical care. Why do they choose Vietnam? High-quality medical expertise, cost-effective treatment, often one-third to one-fifth of Singapore's prices, compassionate, patient-centered care with strong doctor-patient communication. Hospitals such as Tam On, General Hospital, Vinmec Healthcare System, and University Medical Center, Ho Chi Minh City, have become trusted names not only for Vietnamese people, but for many foreign patients as well. Smart healthcare and digital transformation. Vietnam is embracing digital transformation in healthcare, electronic medical records, replacing paper-based systems, online appointment booking and digital results delivery, telemedicine platforms connecting rural patients with top doctors nationwide, AI in diagnostics, assisting in radiology, pathology, and early disease detection. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Vietnam's response was praised globally. Swift contact tracing, effective quarantines, and public cooperation helped keep death rates among the lowest in the world. The healthcare system's agility and the people's trust were key to this success. Investment in research and innovation. Vietnam is not just catching up, it's innovating. Research institutes are pushing forward in areas such as vaccine development, including the homegrown nanocovax during the COVID-19 crisis, biotechnology and regenerative medicine, pharmaceutical production to reduce import dependence. These efforts mark Vietnam's emergence as a serious player in global health research. Old Ridge at the heart of it all, the human factor. What truly sets Vietnam apart is not just the equipment or infrastructure, it's the people. From central hospitals to village clinics, from urban centers to remote mountains, doctors and nurses across Vietnam dedicate themselves to saving lives with compassion and courage. Their tireless service is the soul of the healthcare system. Conclusion: a nation of healing and hope. Vietnam's healthcare journey is a story of resilience, innovation, and humanity. It shows the world that even from the ashes of war, a nation can rise not just to survive, but to lead. With continued investment, international cooperation, and digital transformation, Vietnam is well on its way to becoming a regional and perhaps global leader in healthcare. We warmly invite the world to experience Vietnam not only for its natural wonders, but also for its healing hands, dedicated hearts, and medical excellence. Thank you very much for your attention.